The former board chairman of the Transport Authority is insisting there is no truth to claims that 5 Golden Dragon buses bought in September last year are unsuitable. Transport Authority officials came under fire for spending $110 million of taxpayers' money to buy buses which they now have to sell. They argue that the arrangement was already in train. These are the buses at the center of the controversy. 5 Golden Dragon buses bought from China in September 2016 for the Transport Authority for $110 million. They were bought in tandem with 35 others for the JUTC, bringing the total to 40. But months later, the current managing director of the Transport Authority, Cecil Morgan, said the buses were unsuitable and difficult to maintain. Former chairman of the board of the Transport Authority, Norton Hines, responded.
We had a committee from the board that looked at the buses, looked at the specification, and they are the same specification as those being used by the JUTC. So there is absolutely no truth about the buses were not suitable.
For the current board chairman, Joseph Shakir,
it is only upon the arrival of the buses in Jamaica, and we tried to use them, that they proved unsatisfactory. They are high-cost luxury vehicles. They were too large to park.
So the Transport Authority has sold 3 of the buses to the Caribbean Maritime University for $60 million. No word yet on a sale for the other 2 buses, only that the JUTC may acquire them.
We haven't decided whether it is a sale or a lease. We are talking about it.
Which leads to the next point. At Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, the Permanent Secretary in the Transport Ministry, Dr. Alwyn Hales, and PAAC member Leslie Campbell argued that by paying the $110 million upfront, the Transport Authority was used to fund the purchase of all 40 buses. Mr. Hines said he was unaware of such arrangements up to when he left the board in February 2016.
There was no such agreement. The payment terms were never agreed on as yet, because we could not have agreed on the terms of payment unless we got the approval from the contracts committee.
We paid the deposit in July. The buses were delivered in September. What that tells me is that the manufacture of the buses was far advanced by the time